Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 20, the Lord is in holy temple, let all the earth be silent before him. Hello dear friends, welcome to Casa Natural. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make moringa juice for hair loss or nourishing your hair and preventing dandruff. So make sure that you use tender herbs. So I'm just showing the products that we're going to use. A few jars there. A spray bottle. A handheld blender. A strainer. And a chopping board. So make sure that you pluck tender leaves because we are going to use the stems as well as the leaves. So we are going to cut with a knife. So moringa is a herb that has been used for centuries for its health benefits and medicinal value. So over the recent past, this herb has become popular natural remedy in hair care. So moringa is loaded with nutrients such as vitamin A, B, C, E, iron, zinc, essential amino acids which are very valuable to the hair. So this herb is rich in chlorophyll, complete amino acids, and antioxidants, all of which are responsible for nourishing hair. So moringa is a remedy for hair loss as it contains proteins, vitamins, and minerals that can help to protect cells from damage. So vitamin deficiencies and hormonal disturbances can often lead to hair thinning and eventually hair loss. So moringa will help in restoring those vitamins and give life to damaged follicles. So this leaves the hair and scalp feeling rejuvenated. So we are just pouring our herbs into our jar in readiness for blending. So like for blending, you can use a mortar, a handheld blender, or a juice. So we are going to blend. So at this point, you can add water if you so wish. So like our blender failed me, so I had to go for a mortar. So if you're using a mortar, make sure that you use a hard surface when pounding. So our product is ready. We are just transferring it in our jar. So that's how it looks like. So now we are getting a jam and a strainer. And we are getting a spoon to press so that more juice can come out. Wow, that's so lovely. You know, like at this point, that's when I think about where God's creation, like when he was creating, he pronounced everything good after he had finished. Yes, so like everything is so good, whatever God made. Okay, we are done. That's how it looks. Yes, so beautiful. Yes. So we are getting a spray bottle and a funnel. We're just transferring our product into the spray bottle. So we are just shaking it. Yes. So like I've had many twists for 4 months now. My goal was to keep them in for a month, and we have clocked a month, and I'm super excited because we've reached our goal. So we are likely to wash our hair next week. So I'm just removing the bobby pins in readiness for moisturizing. So this moringa juice will hydrate, moisturize, and treat your follicles from the inside. So moringa is all natural, very effective at moisturizing. So using this treatment will prevent dandruff, hair loss, and you'll also notice that moringa actually has become a popular ingredient in expensive luxury ingredients. So it comes in handy if you have your own plant. Yes, and they're not so difficult. They don't require roots. When you plant them, they will germinate and they grow quickly. It's one of the herbs which grows so quickly. So we are just spreading our moisturizer throughout using our hands. Don't forget the tips of your hair, which are the oldest, which determine the length, and your edges as well. So now that our hair is hydrated, we have to seal in that moisture. So we are using neem oil. So like we have pumped quite a lot there and apply it liberally. So dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so, and if this video was helpful, you can click on that like button. And to our subscribers, thank you so much, and to my viewers, I really appreciate you guys. Yes, so are you going to try moringa juice? Are you going to make it? Please comment in the section below. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.